Oh, hey dreamers! Welcome to Jones Family Travels. Today, we're talking about food. Be sure to click that red subscribe button if you are into travel like we are and you want to know all the great places to eat around Universal Orlando. That's what we're talking about today, the top restaurants, top places to eat at the Universal Orlando Resort. Let's go find out what the best food is around here. Our first restaurant to make the top restaurants at Universal Orlando is called Thunder Falls Terrace. This quick service dining spot is located in Jurassic Park at Islands of Adventure. This restaurant has one of the best seats at Universal Orlando. You get an epic view of the big splashdown of Jurassic Park River Adventure. Don't worry, you will stay dry, but it is so fun to watch everyone else get soaked. You will find barbecue ribs, rotisserie chicken, smoked turkey legs, burgers, wraps, and salads at Thunder Falls Terrace. For quick service dining, this is our favorite menu. The food is delicious and reasonable in price. The newest of the Wizarding World of Harry Potter eateries, Leaky Cauldron meets all the expectations for the Potter-loving fan. Once inside, you find yourself under a cathedral ceiling with views towards the guest rooms in the inn. The actual Leaky Cauldron is available for you to snap a photo of, and the walls are adorned with articles and artifacts you'll want to spend some time examining. Once you finish marveling at the sights, dive into the authentic and delicious tastes with menu items like bangers and mash, fisherman's pie, or toad in the hole. The kids menu offers fish and chips, macaroni and cheese, and cottage mini pie. This location is a must-do for fans of the Harry Potter stories, and for anyone seeking a delicious and unique dining experience at Universal Orlando. Our next restaurant also made our Universal Orlando top snacks list. Check out the eye in the sky for this video of the top snacks at Universal Orlando Resort. Our next top restaurant at Universal Orlando is VooDoo Doughnut. This quick service stop is located at Universal City Walk. You can find some epic donuts at VooDoo Doughnut, like the Grape 8 with vanilla frosting, grape dust, and purple sprinkles, or the Loop with vanilla frosting and Fruit Loops. This is a grab-and-go restaurant. You can find a spot to eat your donuts at Universal City Walk. There are plenty of couches and seating throughout City Walk to relax with your family. To help save time, be sure you use the mobile ordering on the Universal Orlando app. This is a huge time saver for dining. Our next restaurant to make the top restaurants at Universal Orlando is Antojitos Authentic Mexican Food. This sit-down restaurant is located in Universal City Walk. We love the whole atmosphere of this restaurant. The pastel colors and the VW van outside. This restaurant looks so beautiful at sunset. You can dine outside on the patio or inside the restaurant. You can even enjoy live music. Enjoy authentic Mexican food including tableside guacamole, enchiladas, fajitas, and tacos. You will leave Antojitos happy and stuffed. A hidden gem at Universal Orlando is Mythos. This sit-down restaurant is located in the Lost Continent at Islands of Adventure. This restaurant has one of the best views of Universal Orlando. You get a spectacular view of Islands of Adventure across the lake, including Marvel, Toon Lagoon, and Seuss Landing. We love this view during the day and night. Mythos features Mediterranean, Asian, and American cuisine. Some of the entrees include butternut squash ravioli, brick oven roasted chicken, beef loin medallions, salads, and burgers. This is one of our family favorites at Universal Orlando. It is a beautiful themed restaurant, great food, and an amazing view. Another Wizarding World of Harry Potter restaurants makes our top restaurants at Universal Orlando. This restaurant is called Three Broomsticks, located in Hogsmeade at Islands of Adventure. If you can only dine at one Wizarding World of Harry Potter restaurant, we recommend Three Broomsticks. This is a fun restaurant themed after 3 broomsticks in the Harry Potter books and films. You also have an incredible view on the patio. You can get selfies in front of Hogwarts Castle and get up close with the new Velociraptor roller coaster. You can also pop over to Hogshead Bar to pick up one of your favorite adult beverages. 3 Broomsticks features almost the exact same menu as the Leaky Cauldron. You will find entrees like fisherman's pie, fish and chips, macaroni and cheese, and cottage mini pie. Of course, you can get a butterbeer or gilly water at 3 Broomsticks too. We like to grab a butterbeer and enjoy the view on the patio. Before you leave 3 Broomsticks, be sure you walk to the left of the restaurant, behind Honeydukes, to hear the house elves washing the dishes. This is really fun. Our next top restaurant is Toothsome Chocolate Emporium and Savory Feast Kitchen at Universal City Walk. This is one of the most extensive menus at Universal Orlando. Their menu includes salads, flatbreads, sandwiches, hamburgers, pastas, and so much more. Come hungry because the portions are huge. You'll also want to save room for dessert. Toothsome Chocolate Emporium and Savory Feast Kitchen has some epic desserts. One of our favorites, the milkshakes, also made our top Universal Orlando snacks. You can get milkshakes like red velvet, key lime pie, cookie jar, and strawberry cheesecake. There are a lot of other chocolatey desserts to savor over at Toothsome. Besides delicious food, we love the atmosphere at Toothsome. The whole restaurant reminds me of Willy Wonka and the Chocolate Factory on the outside. Inside it is a steampunk theme with the decor and even team member costumes. You may even get the opportunity to meet a few characters during your meal, including Penelope, the creator of the restaurant, and her robot named Jacques. This is a really fun restaurant for the whole family. We have reached our favorite restaurant at Universal Orlando. We have been to this restaurant over 50 times. It is Cowfish Sushi Burger Bar. This sit-down restaurant is located at Universal City Walk. Imagine burgers and sushi for dinner. Burgushi? It sounds weird, but it is delicious. You can enjoy burgers like the Elvis with peanut butter and bananas. There are several unique and tasty burgers. If you are feeling like sushi, you have a lot of options, including the bento boxes. This restaurant features indoor seating or patio seating with views of Universal City Walk. Be sure you check out all of the aquariums and be on the lookout for the Cowfish by the hostess stand. Our whole family loves the food and atmosphere of the Cowfish. This is why we made it the top of our restaurants at Universal Orlando. Those are our favorite restaurants and places to eat here at the Universal Orlando Resort. I'm sure you had a few that were on your list that made our list, but we want to know, down in the comments, what are your favorites? Did we miss one of yours? Thanks for joining us and keep on dreaming. Love you all.
Nice to meet you all.
Nice to meet you.
Where are you all traveling from?
Where are you from?
From Orlando, Florida. Did you all travel very far to visit us? Oh, no. Most extraordinary. Well, thank you for joining us. Very good to meet you.